Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I had a Ben Laurie contact me and they wanted to send me out a new product to play with, and I was like, sure, send it out, I'll play with it. So here's what we got. Check this out. There we go. Look at that, it comes in a nice carrying pouch. Got ourselves a phone holder here. There's the base, phone holder, and a safety strap. All right, now I'm going to show you the tools you need to assemble this so you can use it. So these are the tools you're going to need to assemble it. Okay, we're going to start with the pipe wrench and probably the bigger hammer to get started. Actually, guess what? You don't need any tools for assembling this. No tools required, so we don't need any of this. Yeah, so this is super simple. You've got your phone holder here. Just snap that into there. Thread that onto there. And there you go. Easy. You got this lever here. So you can take your phone. This is pretty cool. Look at that. It's actually, the colors match and everything. It's like it was built for my phone. You just snug that up to there. You don't want to snug it up too much. Just kind of barely touching. Then you lock that. See, now that's locked. And now you're going to snap this over. And that sucks in just a little bit more. That holds your phone. So when you take it out, all you're going to do is just flip that, slide your phone out. It's that easy. Slide it in, snap that, you're good to go. Look at this. You can just set it like that, use it as a stand. So this has got 2 N52 neodymium magnets in here. It's really powerful. Just slap it onto there. So what if you're assembling your inverter and you're watching solar farmer videos on how to do it? You can just put your phone right there and watch it. You can spin it sideways, whatever you want. Snap it on your battery. So yeah, that's super handy. We're gonna go put it on a bunch more stuff. You can put it on your tool tray. Love it. This thing's so fun. I'm gonna be using it everywhere. You can snap it on your big tool chest. This is like, hey mom, yeah, how's it going? Happy Mother's Day. I'm just doing a little project. You can talk to your family and FaceTime and everything while you're getting your tools. It's great. You can magnet it to your door. You can put it on your tractor. Look at me, I'm farming. You can stick it to your solar panel rack. Look at that. This would actually be super handy if you was filming with your phone. You can stick it wherever, you know, YouTubers and stuff like that. Stick it there, film yourself. Yeah, so cool. So for your golf cart, you're going to want this safety strap on here. You're going to loosen that up, take that off. See, it's got these slits there. Just going to put that over that. Put this all back together. This is so you can go down the bumpy roads. And you're just going to stick it on there. See, it actually holds really well already, but this gives you that added security. Take that, strap it around. Oh yeah, there you go. That holds really well. I'm pretty impressed. Now I'm going to show you a little trick, because these, what I've got here is club cars and they're aluminum. So I'll show you how to use this with an aluminum golf cart frame. Got a lot of extra wires here going to all my lights and everything. But this is what's nice about this. It's got that, the way this base is built, you can put it on there like this and just run some electrical tape around it. Secure it top and bottom, and that's how you put it on your club car. So this is what I'm going to use it for the most, is actually holding my phone up here with my speed app on my phone so we can see how fast we can get this golf cart to go. 20 miles an hour going up this hill. See, we're bumping the heck out of this thing. It's a good, solid phone holder, that's for sure. Yeah, look at that, just holds so well. Even Pepper likes it. All right, we're gonna see how fast we get this golf cart to go. 21, got 24 miles an hour. 25, yeah, phone holder has no problem. So you take your phone, spin it sideways like this, and record your drive. I think it's gonna look a little bumpy on here, but we'll see. There you go. Record your drive. Yeah, it's definitely bumping a bunch. See, there. I'm switched to the front camera now. I can show myself bumping around. So this has a really nice soft rubber base right there. It's got a little bit of grip to it. You just stick it right to the side of your truck. Yeah, you stick it on the hood of your truck when you're working on your truck. You could use it. You could use your flashlight shine on there, or you can talk on the phone. You can play some music as you're working on your truck. Try to drown out the swear words you're saying while you're working. Here you'd want to tape it, but you could put it right there. Have a speedometer on your tote goat. Put it on your chicken coop gate. So when you go take care of the chickens, you can record it or play some music or whatever. Stick it on a random I-beam out in the yard. Stick it on your clothesline. Stick it on your trampoline. Stick it on your smoker. Stick it on your dump trailer. Stick it on your really old tractor. Now it's modernized. You could stick it in your old truck. Look at that. Now this one's modernized.
Broom, broom.
You know what I think would be really cool? I love the magnet, but what would be cool is if they sold this with a suction cup on, and then you could stick it to everything. Between the magnet and the suction cup, there's nowhere you couldn't put your phone. There's something about magnets. They're just so cool that just sticking on and it's holding. Love it. It's so fun. And I like how easy that is to just pull your phone out and go do something else. So great product. We're going to be using the heck out of this thing on our golf carts for our adventure videos and our testing golf cart videos. It's going to be great. There's going to be links in the description with a discount code. Go ahead and click on those. We'll catch you all in the next video.